Welcome back to our channel Knowledge Hub. Let's begin today's video. Before start the video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable videos. Today's video is related to stuck pipe prevention, in which we cover topics: introduction, sticking mechanisms, and initial response for soils induced pack-off. An introduction to any training program will have goals, aims, and learning objectives. This stuck pipe prevention course is no exception. Throughout our history, we have established that knowledge through understanding is the way to success. We also believe the word control needs to be defined. Control is a word used in the drilling process to be associated with kicks. This is not entirely true. Crews should be in control of a well immediately it is spotted, and with this belief of constantly observing and controlling well bore stability stuck pipe prevention is an achievable goal. To be successful, you must act, meaning A for acquire knowledge, C for change your attitude, T for take some action. The sticking of a drill string is an unwanted event and a major downhole drilling complication that we in the industry can well do without. When the drill string cannot be raised, lowered, or rotated, that part of the string which is stuck must be dislodged as quickly as possible to avoid rig delays and substantial costs. Also, string fatigue failures or having to back off due to sticking problems may require an expensive fishing operation or possibly cementing in the stuck section and side tracking, so drilling ahead can resume. The cost of dealing with stuck pipe problems runs into hundreds of millions a year at the least. There is considerable lost time in dealing with the problem. In the worst case scenario, the well could be completely lost. In all cases, there is loss of money. Sticking mechanisms. Formation types can obviously be a very important reason that the chances of stuck pipe occurring are increased. However, as with many of our problems that we encounter in the drilling industry, the human factor plays a major part in either leading to a stuck pipe situation or making this type of situation worse. Understanding what is going on downhole and following the best drilling practices will help in minimizing sticking problems. Sticking mechanisms can be listed in the following three categories: solids induced pack-off, differential sticking, mechanical, and wellbore geometry. Initial response for soils induced pack-off. Cuttings and formation cavings can settle around the drill string, causing the annulus to pack off, resulting in a stuck pipe event. Formations that swell or move, changing the borehole size, will also cause the drill string to become stuck in the hole. Whenever the drilling shows signs of packing off, the following initial response should be carried out. 1. At the first signs of the drill string torquing up and trying to pack off, 2. Reduce the pump speed to half. This will help minimize the buildup in pressure should the hole pack off completely. If the hole cleans up, return flows back to normal rate. If the string packs off, immediately stop the pumps and bleed down the standpipe pressure. If a non-ported float valve is installed in the drill string, it will not be possible to bleed any trapped pressure off. When bleeding down any pressure from under the pack off, control the rate so as not to U-tube solids and plug the drill string. 3. Leave a low pressure 500 side trap below the pack off. This will act as an indicator that the situation is improving should the pressure start to bleed off. 4. Holding a maximum of 500 psi on the standpipe and with the string hanging at its free rotating weight starts to cycle the drill string up to maximum make up torque. At this stage, do not work the string up or down. 5. Continue cycling the torque. Observe for any pressure reduction and returns at the shakers. If bleed off or partial circulation occurs, slowly increase the pump strokes to maintain maximum of 500 psi on the standpipe. If circulation improves, continue increasing the pump strokes. 6. If circulation cannot be regained, work the pipe between free up and free down weight. Do not apply excessive pull and set down weights, as this will aggravate the situation. 50 kLbs max. Whilst working, the string continues to cycle the torque to stall out and maintain a maximum of 500 psi on the standpipe. 7. Do not attempt to fire the jars in either direction. 8. If circulation cannot be established, increase the standpipe pressure in stages up to 1,500 psi and continue to work the pipe and apply torque. 9. If the pipe is not free once circulation is established, commence jarring operations in the opposite direction to the last pipe movement. If the pipe is free, rotate and clean the hole prior to continuing with operations. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable videos. Also, if you have any questions, please below in the comment box, and don't forget to share and like the video.